Hi, my name is Anuj Shah, and I'm the founder and principal financial planner at financial planning and wealth management firm Wealth 360, where we take a 360-degree view of our clients' finances to help them build, manage, and preserve wealth for generations. Our services include investment planning, tax planning and filing of income tax returns, accounting and bookkeeping, insurance planning, wills and estate planning, and much more. To know more about our services, you can visit our website wealth360.in. In our previous video, you saw that how you can make your real estate investment tax free using section 54. In case you haven't seen that video, I'm putting the link below in the description box. You can go and check it out. In this video, we are going to see how you can make your real estate investment tax free using section 54 EC. Now, when you sell a property, the property can be of any type. It can be a commercial property, residential property, it can be land, building, doesn't matter. When you sell such a property which is held for more than 24 months, which means it's a long-term capital asset, then the selling price of such a property minus the indexed cost price of that property will give you your profits or the long-term capital gains that you have made in this transaction. Now, these long-term capital gains are subject to tax at the rate of 20%, but you can save this entire capital gain tax if you reinvest the long-term capital gains to buy specified 54 EC bonds. These bonds are issued by government companies such as REC and NHAI. But there are few things that you will have to keep in mind. Firstly, the maximum investment in one financial year is 50 lakhs, and investment in bonds during financial year of transfer of original asset and in subsequent financial year should not exceed 50 lakhs. Now, the bonds should be bought within 6 months from the date of transfer of original assets. Bonds purchased should be held for 5 years. Bonds purchased should not be converted into money, or loan should not be taken on their security within this period of 5 years. Now, in our first video, we discussed how you can make your real estate investment tax free using section 54. In this video, which is part 2, we have seen how you can make your real estate investment tax free using section 54 EC. In our next video, we will show you how you can make any asset, be it shares, stocks, bonds, debentures, commercial real estate, or gold, or any investment other than residential property. How you can make it tax free will be covered in our third video, which will be the next video that we'll be uploading now. So do like, share, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon so that you get the notification every time we upload new videos. I hope you found this information useful. Thanks for watching.